I've had death knock on my door these weeks, but I'm getting better. Almost done with my steroids. Couple more days to go. Almost done with my antibiotics. 5 more days to go. And I'm already feeling like a different person. But I got something in the mail that's making me feel so much better. Let me show you now. What a difference. That's what I'm talking about. Talking about making you feeling better. My Amazon supply box. Well, that fairy dust on the ground. It's going to help me get my business off the ground and a lot easier. So here we go. Check us out. Okay, first let me show you this. I got this a while back. Been using it. I love my Rolo. What a game changer. I also got the container that holds the labels in the back. But this is already set up. I've been using it, not in the box. But I did want to let you know that I do have this. So, let's see what's in the box. Supplies. Oh, I want to start out with this. Yes, this has been highly recommended, so I bought it. Been reading it, learning. Just started. Not too much into the book yet, but we'll see. You might want to check this one out. So, got that. I don't think a tape dispenser matters much when it comes to these types. The one I have broke. I've had it forever. Oh, it comes with already some tape in it. That's pretty good. Looks simple, just like the red one. I hear this one works as well or better, so I'm happy about that. Didn't realize it was going to come with tape. But you can always have enough tape. And I bought this because I'll be using a lot of it. And I hear the eBay tape is not as good as what I guess it was. I've never used the eBay tape. I got eBay poly bags this month because I needed, not poly bags, mailing bags. Because I needed those. So, yeah, I'm feeling better. I really am. It's been about 3 weeks. Was sick. Getting there. I want to say thank you to Dee at Flippin' Particles. She kind of hooked me up onto this thing. I wanted one that you could just put on the desk and pull with. A lot easier for wrapping, that's for sure. And so yeah, thank you, Dee, because I got this through you. Appreciate that. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. Ooh, don't want to lose the little wheel part that goes in. So what this is actually 2 tape dispensers in one. You got the big one. Let's see. Oh, this is going to be so sweet using this. So much easier. So, that's for the big tape. Little tape. Pens, pencils, scissors. That's going to be another game changer, as the Rolo was. You really don't realize how easier and faster just little things like this can help get the production going. Even though I haven't shipped much, haven't listed much, been too sick. So again, Recycle 2-in-1 Deluxe Heavy Duty Tape Dispenser. Pretty sweet. Oh, I'm going to link all this stuff down below. So, last thing I have, I got this desktop file organizer. What I'm going to do with this, I'm hoping it's going to work once I set it up for all my bags, my poly bags, my shipping bags, 6 tiers. And I have different sizes of, so hopefully that will work. It's all metal. So yeah. Looks like it's easy enough to put together. Oh yeah, that's very easily done. I would guess you put the rods here and there. And you just, yeah. So yeah, that's going to be nice. Set all that up. So that's what I got in mind. Once I get everything set, maybe I'll video and show you what everything looks like once I have everything set up the way I want it. And my dog is down there smelling everything. She's like, what is all that fun stuff? Nothing for her. So yeah, just wanted to show you all my new supplies. I'm feeling better every day, and now I'm excited. Got to get busy listing again and get some more videos out there. So, oh yeah, I want to show you. Got some allergic reaction too to some of the meds, but you know, what are you gonna do? Feeling better, keep taking the meds, and another few days I should be good to go. So that's it. I'm excited, and check out all the links below. Hopefully that'll help some of you. So I'm going to keep reading, keep watching videos, keep learning. Gotta succeed on YouTube. Some YouTube secrets. I hear this is good, so we're going to find out. So that's all for now. Hope you enjoy this, and check out the links below of all these supplies I got. I'm going to list everything. And again, I want to thank Dee, Flipping Particles. Her site's also below. Go check her out. She does a live every day, Monday through Friday at noon. It's fun, chit chat, talk about anything. So check her